Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video, we are going to be testing out some hard candy. They sent me some PR. I thought they were going to send me the whole release, but they didn't. So it'll be a short video because we're going to be testing. I'll show you what they sent me, and then I'll tell you what I know about the rest of this release, because I saw it at Walmart. It's available at Walmart, but since I knew I was gonna get it, I didn't purchase any, and then they didn't send me the whole thing. So basically we have lips, highlight, nails, which I won't be putting the nails on today just because I already have nails on. So this is the nails that come with, oh, first, I want to tell you what it is. It is a collaboration between hard candy and Girl Scout cookies. See, I guess you saw that already. And it says, it's a batch made in heaven. We've baked up the perfect treats to celebrate individuality, confidence, and creativity. Each limited edition Girl Scout cookie inspired product gives you a delicious way to serve up new looks, all for under $10. I do not have the prices because I forgot to look them up, but they will be linked below. So, and it is available at Walmart because I saw the whole thing. These are the nails. These ones are red ones. They come in red, blue, and green. And in the nails, you get 24 press-on nails. And then you get some stickers. It comes with glue. It comes with everything to put them on. You can get the little nail file, and then these little tabs, which I absolutely do not recommend you use because every time I've used them, they don't work very well. And I think this is an alcohol pad, and then a little file and a little orange wood stick. You get glue, you get the nails, and then there's a little page of stickers that you can put on them. I don't want the nails to get lost, so I'm kind of being careful. Anyways, these are the stickers that you can put on. They're little decals, and you just cut them out. They must come off. They must peel off. And then you stick them on there and then put a clear coat on top of them. At least that's the way I've always done it. But they have little stars. There's a little lightning bolt, some butterflies, some mushrooms. I am not sure what those are. Some hearts with eyes. Some hearts that have a HC for hard candy. And some daisies. And a few other things that I'm not sure what they are. I don't recognize them. So I'm not going to try and tell you what they are because I don't know. But anyways, you get all these little decals in with your pack of nails. And then they sent me this. This is a lip oil. And see, each thing has like a flavor of cookie. This one was called Trefoils. And I have already opened it and smelled it. I'll do it again at the end. We'll use this. But this one, the Trefoils, I think is a sugar cookie because this basically just smells like sugar. I thought it did anyways. And I think the picture is of that one in the middle. And these are the three flavors. This Trefoils, the coconut, and the mint, of course. Then mint, I think that's what they're called. That's my favorite. So I don't buy very many of any of them because I don't want to eat them. Anyways, this is what the oil looks like. It looks blue in there, but I'm sure it's going to be clear. And then they sent me in the same flavor this Trefoil's Luminous Highlight. And I also got the highlight in the coconut. So I'm sure that's what they smell like. It was coconut caramel is what the coconut is. So we'll see what color that is. I'm assuming it's a peachy, and then the luminous, the Trefoils is like a sugar cookie, so I'm assuming it's kind of a light white. We'll see when we get to that. And then they sent me 2 Velvety Smooth Lip Color. One is Thin Mints and one is Coconut Cream. I will probably be gifting this to somebody because it looks like it's gonna be, it's got a picture of it right there, and it looks like it's gonna be brown, and I don't wear brown. But, which is sad because I wish it was, since it's my favorite flavor. Yes, it's dark brown. So yeah, I won't be. Although you can spread it out and it gets lighter, but it's still brown. So, anyways, I know somebody that would love this though, so I will give this to her, and we will test out the other one because I'm sure it's the coconut caramel. It's probably still brown, huh? We'll go ahead and test it on my hand. Yeah, it still looks brown, but we'll try it right here. It's kind of an orangey brown, so maybe when I thin it out, it'll be peachy. Yeah, they thin out into like a gloss, and it is kind of peachy. So we'll try that one today. Let's get started. Now that I've shown you that's everything I got from them. Oh, and this, which it's not really my style, but we're gonna put it on for today. Take my glasses off. It's a Girl Scout headband. So let's just put it on, right? This is a hard candy video. Come on. Oh, it's soft. Oh, it's cool. If you like Girl Scout shamrocks on your... Alright, gotta scoot it up past the hairline so that I can actually get makeup up there. What do you think? I guess we'll wear it till the end. Alright, let's get started. So I'm gonna zoom through this. This is gonna be a short one. You've actually seen more than you're probably gonna see. I've already put my primer on, and it is the YSL Touché Eclat Blurring Primer. So I'm gonna go in with some of this. I'm still liking this Super Stay Skin Tint, so that's what I'm gonna go in. I will just put this on with this, and then I'll blend it out, and we'll move on from there. Okay, I did my foundation, and I went ahead and did my concealer. I used my Super Stay Skin Tint for my foundation, and then I used my Fenty Beauty, I don't know what it's called, the Fenty Beauty one. Fenty Beauty We're Even concealer in the shade, but it's 120N, and it'll be listed below with the shade there. Okay, now we're gonna go in with our, actually I'm gonna go in with a little bit of blush. I'm gonna use the e.l.f, this e.l.f. blush, and I'm just gonna put some on my hand here, and then I'm gonna spread it out a bit and grab my sponge and just pick a little bit up and put it right here. Just a little bit, because I'm not looking for a lot of color there. And then I'm just gonna, basically you go from, some people say from your pupil out, but I try to go from the outer corner of my eye, because then I tend to, when I'm blending, it gets pulled in a little bit. So I try not to go any further than the outer corner when I'm putting it on, so that should I blend too far in, it's not as far. And now we're gonna go in with our highlight. Okay, now we're gonna go in with, that was the e.l.f. blush. I can't read it. In the color Suave Mauve. So now we're gonna go in with the highlight. And I think I wanna use this lighter one, the sugar cookie one, or the Trefoil. This is what they look like. They're a tube with a screw up top. Oh, a wand. So I'm gonna put some right here. This is the Trefoil, I don't remember what it says. Luminous highlighter in Trefoils or Trefoils. Maybe it's Truffles, but it's Trefoils. Trefoils. Anyways, that's what color this one is. I'm going to dot it a little bit just to blend it out. And that's, can you see it? It's on this outer side of my hand. Can't see it. There. Now you can see it. So it's pretty. And now I'm going to put the other color, which is Coconut Caramel, on next to it. Yes, this one's like more gold. Let's see if I can get the light to hit it there. Can you see? One's gold and one's like almost a white shine. I don't know if you can see it that well, but anyways, we're going to use the lighter colored one. And I am going to put it on the back of my hand again, and then grab some up with my sponge like this, so that I can just get a little bit, and then I'm just going to go in the high points. Ooh, that's pretty, huh? I don't know if I have enough on there to do both of them. Yeah, it's not nearly as much as this one, so maybe. No, we'll put more on. It seems like it picked it up too quickly, or it dries really fast, something like that. So we're just gonna put that right there, and then we're gonna add some to my nose, my lip. I think I'm gonna go ahead and go like this, because it's, my sponge is too big. Just like that. I think it's beautiful. So what do you guys think? I think that this is beautiful. The highlights are both gorgeous. I wish I had got the eye. They had 3 eyeshadow palettes. I saw them. I didn't look closely at them because, like I said, I thought I was going to get the whole collection. And so I didn't. So I'm going to go off camera and do my eyes real fast, and then we'll come back and test out the lips, and we'll be done. So I'll be back. Okay. I went off camera, did my eyes. So let's move on. We're gonna try the lip. I'm gonna try the this sugar cookie-ish one, the Trefoils, truffles? I don't know, they're not truffles. Anyways, that's the color I'm gonna try on my lips. This one. And then I think I'm gonna put the lip oil on top. I think that's how you're supposed to do it. Like a gloss. As soon as I get the foundation off my lips. All right, here we go. And this is creamy. It doesn't say it's a lip pencil. It says glossy lip color. So I'm gonna put it all over my lips. It's kind of a coppery color, but it's toning down to a nice nudie color. And it's super creamy, so I wouldn't use it as a pencil. I think it will spread. Pretty. What do you guys think? I smell the coconut. I don't smell caramel, I just smell coconut. I don't taste anything though, that's good. All right, let's put some oil on top of it just to see. This is the, what's the flavor? Oh, it was the Trefoil, or Trefoil, whatever it is. Now see, it looks blue. I'm pretty sure it's gonna just be clear though. I'm not sure you're supposed to use it with something like I just did. Got it all over here. I think you're just supposed to use it like, I don't know, maybe at night by itself, or just when you don't need, because I got it on this thing. Okay, most of it came off, so I'll just wipe it off and it'll be fine. Okay, this is it, we're done. I will list everything I put on my eyes and stuff, and I'm taking this off now. I will probably give this to a granddaughter. Did I show you? I did show you both of the highlights. I did show you both of the lips. Okay, I think I've showed you everything. So I love the highlight. I think it is beautiful. The lips, you know me, I don't use lips a lot. And I don't know, maybe the mint chocolate one would tone down to a color, or maybe if you put it over something, because they're pretty thin once you put them on. And they had a lot of other stuff in that collection. I can't remember what it was. I know that the eyeshadow palettes were like this big, and there were 3 different colors of them. It seems like they might have had blush or liner or something else too. I don't know, I can't remember. Like I said, I thought I was gonna get the whole collection, so I didn't look at it that closely. I know they had more than just this headband too there. They had like another one or maybe 2 more. Maybe the other 2 things that they seem to be the truffle and the, I guess that would be the thin mint one. So the truffle and the coconut caramel, maybe they have those headbands. Anyways, they're available at Walmart, super reasonably priced, super good prices. So if that's something you're interested in, give them a shot. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!